So Kevin, how's the preparation for the crisps eating competition going?
It's going great, Monkey. We have all the supplies ready, and Mr. Tato is already strategizing for his win.
How many years has Mr. Tato won, Kevin?
He's won 47 times.
Wow, that's amazing. Anyway, come on gang, we better get going. The competition starts in 1 hour. Also, Mr. Tato told me to tell you not to worry. Mr. Tato said he'll be giving you some tips.
Oh yeah, Churchill, what's happening?
It's too much money.
That's gonna be worth 250 quid!
London, seriously, is this a joke?
Right here at Wallace's, we make Wensleydale cheese crisps. Our crisps is 100% Yorkshire and 100% cheesy. We deliver our cheeses to the crisp factory, the Walker's factory I guess. The cheeses were melted and they become crisp. Then it came onto packs and it's ready to eat. Gromit, stop ruining the ad! Wallace's crisps. It's cheesy and it's really delicious. Tell the dishes apart. Gromit! You ruined it!
Hello Monkey, Al, Kevin and Churchill. Why did you came here for?
We have come to tell you where the crisp eating contest will take place in.
It will take place near West Wallaby Street. And Kevin, good luck at the Paris Olympics.
If anyone needs me, I will be at Paris. See you in a few days.
Good luck, Kevin. Come on, Al and Churchill. Let's get in the car.
Summer in Paris. The games can't begin. Everyone's hopes were all on Kevin.
I'll save the games. I just need to get to the stadium.
Hop on, Kevin.
You're awesome, Kevin!
He flew through the air performing daredevil stunts.
What an eyeball!
Would he save the day with a pair of white fronts?
Oh, pants.
Welcome to the 6th annual crisp eating competition. Our first contestant, all the way from Pontypen, Norman Price.
Alright, I'm going to win this contest. Oh no, I'm stuffed up, Fireman Sam!
Our next contestant, all the way from Woking, Harry Hill.
Can I win this contest? There's only one way to find out. No, I can't eat that. I think I'm going to be sick.
Our next contestants, all the way from Chicken Island, Molly and Frizzle.
Are you ready to gobble up on some crisp frizzle?
You bet I'm a Molly.
I don't believe it, lads. Molly and Frizzle had double over 10 packets of crisps together.
Yes, Frizzle. We did it. Let's go home.
Our next contestants, all the way from France and Finland, Happy the Happy Meal and the Angry Birds.
I worked all night on this costume.
Cracking job on that bird costume, Happy. We will give it a 10 out of 10.
Our next contestants, all the way from the Netherlands, the Palm Bear and his teddy faces.
Monkey, I am the new Crisp King.
Excuse me, you're the second Crisp King. I am the King of Crisps. Now, stay focused. Shove as many crisps as possible in your gut.
Got it, Miss T.
Now we have a frog. Oh, I don't know where he's from. It doesn't say.
Lancashire.
Oh, cracking. You may begin.
Miss Tato, I'm not sure about that.
It's alright, Al. You got this. Just go nuts.
Alright, here goes nothing.
Oh my goodness, lads. Look at her go. Oh my god, lads. How has eaten all the crisps in record time? I'm rewarding you with this trophy.
Thank you, Wallace.
I can't believe you actually won that contest, Al.
The winner of the 6th annual crisps eating competition goes to...
Stop right there. We got one more contestant entering.
Who's that then?
Sorry, but the competition is over, young lad. I'll be back in a mine. Oh, Monka and Potato, I'm gonna get you some of my finest cheese and a lifetime supply of crisp. Wait there.